Would you like to import products from many different wholesalers to your store, but you feel overwhelmed by the perspective of editing each of them separately? With the Megamo automatic integrator, it's easy. Our integrator allows you to establish connection with many suppliers at the same time. To do this, use the My Suppliers section and add the suppliers you are interested in using the button at the top of the panel. When the supplier card is created, open its settings and select the wholesaler of your choice from the list of our partners. In the next tab, enter the path to the product file provided by the supplier and save the changes. For this integration, we will omit optional parameters such as name filters or additional language versions. To complete the supplier configuration, download the file edited in the previous step in the last tab. If the process was successful, you can set the automatic downloading of the product database at the specified days of the week and time range. Connection with every supplier has its own profile where you can manage the settings for importing products to your store. This allows you to combine wholesalers with a completely different assortment and then adapt it to meet your expectations. In the configuration of the selected profile, all you need to do is defining the store to which the products should be imported, as well as the previously added supplier. When the connection is ready, all that remains is to select the target category in your store, select the products to be imported, and start a new import session. Regardless of whether you would like to connect 2, 3, 5 or even 10 wholesalers, it is possible with us. Visit megamo.pl or write to bureau@megamo.pl for more details.